Okay, welcome once more. So based on the basic description that I've given you guys, a little introduction on our MJ Pips moves and some of the reason why we titled this movement the journey. So I'm going to be dropping some of the explaining some of the basic things that you're going to expect uh, within the MJ movement that we are moving on with. I explained to you guys earlier that one thing that we represent or one thing that we do is we are traders, we are investors within the financial market. And I told you also that one of the basic things that we do trade within the financial market are the commodity, the stock, and the currency. And as you know that one of the some of you guys have been working with us, you know that one of the basic things that we instrument that we do trade is gold, and I explained to you guys on how you can benefit. So I will still need to explain this also so that you understand. Now, how do you make money in the financial market is based on prediction. Some of you have been trading for long, and some of you have understood the financial movement principle. But for some of you guys that are beginners and that still don't understand how the financial market works is by predicting price movement. Now let's say that in the currency market. Now in the currency market, what you do mostly is predicting price movement based on one country or currency to another. Example, let me say if you're in Nigerian or maybe you are using trading Nigerian. So what you do is mostly you are trading naira to dollars. So now this means that if you are predicting naira will go up, once naira goes up more than dollars, it means that you'll be on profit. The same thing you can make money either predicting long or short. That is, market will go up or market will go down. Any one of these you can still make money, not only tied to like market have to go up. So you can still say that you are predicting that market will go down, naira will crash, you will still make money. So the same thing when it comes to stock, you are just predicting, okay, let me say company value. Like let me say if you're a Nigerian, still like Dangote company, you can predict that, okay, Dangote company will go up. So once you predict from the point where you predict, that's where your profit starts. The same thing if you are in you are trading commodity, maybe you are trading beans, rice, gold. Once you predict it's going up or it's going down, that is where you make your money. So that's how you simply make money in the financial market. So now what do we do here is that now we have 5 to 6 things that we'll be doing. Now I know some of you guys have been trading before. You have been trading on your own and you have been making profit. But I know that even though you have been making profit, you still want to scale up your profit. And some of you guys again have been making profit, you have been trading, but you have not been profitable. Like sequential profitability, you have not amen to that stage. We are still here. Then some of you again have been trading, but you have been trading alone. You need a community, a like-minded individuals that or do or understood what um you are doing and they are into what you are doing. We are still here for you. So, but in general aspect, we are here to provide 5 to 6 guidelines or 6 things to you guys. First is that what we're providing is what we call a trading signal. Now, in the financial market, you don't need to even know how to trade. Now, signaling here means that you'll be provided with a guidelines on when to buy or when to sell, when to take your profit, when to do what you need to do. The only thing that you need to do is that just fund your account in your own broker. Broker is just like your bank account. Just fund your money in your own bank account or your own broker. We'll send you signals, we'll send you information on when to buy whatever we are trading. I mean, let me say for example, if we are trading gold, because mostly we are gold and BTC traders. So we mostly trade gold, we mostly trade BTC, and we mostly trade the forex market. So maybe we can tell you that we are buying longing or buying gold. So we'll tell you that, okay, since we two want to trade gold, now we want to buy gold, now we'll tell you that we are buying gold so time and so amount, and this is the point in which we are taking our profit. So we'll send it to you guys. So it means that you don't even need to learn how to trade, or you don't need to learn how to make trading decision by yourself. That's why I see the financial market now is very easy. In fact, even if you don't want to take signal, you can be an investor. There are different ways I can do this. So all this saying that you must learn how to trade. No, guys, trade is far more than this, guys. Far more. You don't need to force yourself and be a trader. You can be a trader, or you can still be an investor in the financial market. So now, based on trading aspect, we provide one signals. We tell you when to take the action that you need to take and how to take it. Now, number two is that we providing materials for some of you guys. I told you guys as usual, we are out for you. We are out for you. As long as you are ready, 2026 is ready and we are ready also. So we told you the only thing that can stop you this year is you yourself. And I know that you don't want to stop yourself, guys. Yeah, you don't want to. Yes, you don't want to. Tell yourself that I cannot stop myself. That is the truth. Tell yourself that you cannot stop, because tell yourself that you see 2020, 2026, this is the year. The journey has begun. So we'll be providing you guys with materials, maybe PDF, video materials on how to build your trading decisions also, how to do make take decision also by yourself, how to know some things that you need to know. So we're prepping those materials for you. Now the third thing that we're doing is what we call live analysis. Now in live analysis, we'll be going on live video online. You will join us, you join online, maybe on TikTok, on YouTube. So what we're doing there is that we'll be teaching you live, not only on video, live. You will see what we are doing at that particular moment, how we make our trading decisions, some of the data, all the variables that we use, we're explaining them to you, and we'll take trade at that moment so that you will see what we do, how we do it. So you get to understand that this saying of people that trading is a scam, trading is magic. No, 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 no. Trading is magic. Trading is that. No, no. We'll show you this is what we do. These are the information that we use, and this is how we do it. And we'll practicalize it for you. Then we'll also execute the data, the variables that we are using, so that you will see it and you know that yes, this is what we do. So you know that trading is not, it's not random, it's not luck, it's not guessing. There is something that we do, and you get to know it also. And the fourth thing that we're doing is what we call the trader thoughts. Traders thoughts. Now, the trader thought is a program that we'll be doing once in a while. We have a particular schedules for that. So we'll be interacting live, maybe with some of the beginners, some of the advanced traders. So we'll be interviewing them on okay, their experience on the financial market. If to the beginners, okay, what are some of their problems, so that you learn to understand from their mistakes, and so that you not get to make that mistake. Learn from them. You know, you can learn from someone's mistake, or you can learn from someone's accuracy, someone's success. So anyone, so we'll be interacting with also the advanced traders also, so that you learn to know some of the mistakes they made in the past as beginner, and some of the how they were able to like amend some of the mistake, and why they are making it now, they were successful now. So all this is we interacting with them. You'll be seeing it live. You ask your question, maybe, or maybe we'll ask them, or maybe we're dropping videos on that also. Then I think the fifth thing that we do is we provide mentorship program. We provide money a on ground mentorship program, online mentorship program. So now the mentorship program that we do provide is uh we provide, there is the monetized mentorship program, and there's a free mentorship program. Now the free mentorship program mostly is we'll be guiding you guys just as we are guiding you guys now, freely, without paying. Okay, what the financial market is, we'll be giving you guys free, without payment, what the financial market, some of the basic things you get to understand without paying, maybe online. Mostly the free mentorship program will be online mostly. Then we have the monetized mentorship program for some of you guys that want to take it more further, more further. There's a mentorship program that we do provide monthly, and which more details will be dropped on that, and that will guide you on some of the more details that you need to be a profitable financial trader. So we'll be exposing you to our technical analysis, our fundamental analysis, our intermarket or currency correlation, for you to get to understand money flow and other stuffs. Then we'll be guiding you on some of the sentimental analysis, so that you get to understand the basic rudiments on where the general masses are, and you make your decision on going with the general masses, or you are going against the general masses. So the sentimental, the technical. So we'll guide you on all some of those variables. So we have the introductional or the beginners class, we have the intermediate class, and we have the advanced, that is the master class. So we'll be guiding you guys also. That is the mentorship program schedules will be discussed later, and the fees for the mentorship class also will be discussed later. We will drop it guidelines for you guys on this. That is but it's a monthly mentorship program. There is for the online classes, there is for the on-ground classes, which we have already been doing the on-ground classes since. And for some of you guys that are partner with us already, you know that we have been active on that, guys, back to back, and our students are doing massively. They are doing great. They are doing great, and we can see some of them the way they are predicting the financial market, making decisions, guys. Yeah, they are doing some many. They are just growing dollars from dollars to dollars. So that's what we are saying, guys. That's what we so for some of you that want to like take it more advanced, you can do well to still ask questions concerning this. So these are mostly the 5 things that we'll be providing. Signals, we said number one. Number two, we'll be providing materials. Number three, we'll be providing live analysis. Number four, the traders taught. Number five is the mentorship programs. So that is this, guys. That is it. And remember, we are active on TikTok, Telegram, YouTube, Facebook, and very soon we'll go on X. But these are the mostly the WhatsApp. Yeah, these are the 4 to 5 social media platform that will be active on. So if there's anything that you want to understand, there are anything that you want to ask us on, or there are things that you don't understand, do well to drop it on the comment section, guys. Thank you, guys. This is MJ Peeps. Don't forget, if you are still not yet subscribe to us. Subscribe so that if there's any materials, you'll be one of the first person that will receive the material. You receive the alert, guys. Sharp. This MJ Peeps, guys. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys.